Sun is composed primarily of the chemical elements called hydrogen and helium. They account for 74.9% and 23.8% respectively of the mass of the Sun in the photosphere. So, Sun is mainly composed or made of hydrogen. And if you study chemistry, then you would know that hydrogen is represented in the periodic table by the symbol H, and in Arabic it is the alphabet Ha. So, Sun is composed of hydrogen, which has a symbol of Ha in the periodic table. Now check this out. Surah number 91 in Quran is called Ash-Shams. Ash-Shams means the sun. There are 15 verses in this surah of Quran, and all these verses end with the alphabet Ha. This is the only surah or chapter in the entire Quran whose every verse ends with Ha. Go and read Surah Ash-Shams of Quran to surprise yourself. You think this is a coincidence? Then know that there are so many such coincidences in the Quran that makes us believe it's the word of God. Quran is an unseen message from our God to us. See it and try to understand it before it's too late.